Everybody, it's Kelly. It is Monday, May 18th. I'm going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar to you by Carle. If you like it, hit subscribe and just listen to more of my books. I love reading to you, and here we go. So, hope you're having a good day so far. I am, because I'm happy to be with you. And there's my dog Bentley behind me sleeping. All right, so The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. Let's see who he dedicated it to. Pretty pictures. He dedicated it for my sister Krista. That's so sweet. This book has really beautiful pictures. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but you guessed it, still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Oh my gosh. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Oh. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon right around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I thought it was 1. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out. And he was a beautiful butterfly. Oh, look how beautiful those colors are. Oh, can you guys maybe draw a butterfly like that? The end. Such a great story. Come back for more. I'm going to read you more books today and tomorrow and this week and every day, and I'm here for you. I'm not going anywhere except reading books to you. All right. See you guys. Have a great day.